I love milkshake. Adoro milkshake. Wait, should I say adoro beber milkshake? Adoro tomar milkshake? Or are both correct? Stay until the end of the lesson to find out. Olá pessoal, today's lesson was inspired in a question asked by one of you. Thank you very much. You probably already know that comer means to eat. Yes, when you put food in your mouth, chew it and swallow it. And you probably know that beber means to drink, when an amount of liquid is taken into the body through the mouth. But what you may not know is that in Brazilian Portuguese, tomar is used with certain drinks and certain foods. That's correct. So let's see the difference between comer, beber, and tomar. When it comes to drinks in general, you can use either beber or tomar. Examples. Assim que acorda, ele gosta de beber cafezinho. Assim que acorda, ele gosta de tomar cafezinho. It's indifferent. Ele bebe muita água enquanto treina. Ele toma muita água enquanto treina.
Hoje à noite vou beber uma cervejinha.
Hoje à noite ele vai tomar uma cervejinha. A side note, if you say gosto de beber, period, gosto de beber, it means that you like to have alcoholic drinks, alcoholic beverages. That's right. So if someone says, vamos beber neste fim de semana, the person is inviting you to have drinks this weekend. Yes, to go out for drinks this weekend. Vamos beber neste fim de semana? So in this specific case, beber cannot be replaced with tomar. No. It can only be replaced with tomar when you say what you are having. Yeah? So the sentence, gosto de beber alcoholic beverages. Now, gosto de beber cerveja. Gosto de tomar cerveja. It's perfect. Yeah, here you can replace beber with tomar. Gosto de beber água. Gosto de tomar água. Perfect. But gosto de beber alcoholic beverages. Yes. Still about drinks. If you're talking about thick drinks such as whey protein, smoothies, yogurt, milkshake, in Brazilian Portuguese it's more common to use the verb tomar. For example, depois do treino ele gosta de tomar whey. Depois do treino ele gosta de tomar whey. Ela prefere tomar uma vitamina de banana. Ela prefere tomar uma vitamina de banana. Eles estão tomando iogurte, mas gostariam de estar tomando milkshake. Eles estão tomando iogurte, mas gostariam de estar tomando milkshake. Are you enjoying the lesson? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That helps the channel a lot, huh? Tomar is also used with popsicle, ice cream, tomar picolé, tomar sorvete. For example, nas férias, eles podem tomar 2 picolés por dia. Nas férias, eles podem tomar 2 picolés por dia, mas não podem tomar sorvete antes de dormir. Mas não podem tomar sorvete antes de dormir. By the way, with popsicle, ice cream, besides tomar, you can also use the verb chupar, which means to suck. The same verb used with candies such as lollipop, hard candies. So, nas férias eles podem chupar até 2 picolés por dia, mas não podem chupar sorvete antes de dormir. O que você tem na boca?
Estou chupando uma bala de morango.
Moving on, it's also common to use tomar with foods such as porridge, soup, chicken soup, as in, não tenho o hábito de tomar mingau no café da manhã. Não tenho o hábito de tomar mingau no café da manhã. No inverno, tomo sopa quase todas as noites. No inverno, tomo sopa quase todas as noites. Quando estou resfriada, gosto de tomar canja, chicken soup. Quando estou resfriada, gosto de tomar canja. Ready for our quiz? It's important to mention that tomar is one of those power verbs in Brazilian Portuguese. It has so many meanings and uses that I strongly recommend you watch that lesson not only once, twice, but as many times as possible so you get accustomed to the verb tomar. Thank you very much for watching this lesson. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!